Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. It's all going on here today, we're going out for a paddle. Anyway, in other news, I've been sent this pump by Anoutway. It's the jungle version of their pumps. That's what it's actually called. Portable electric SUP air pump, weight 135, battery 4000 milliamp hours, max inflating pressure 20 psi with a C charging port. Now I have had it out and charged it up. That just slots into there. It's got all the standard kind of pump operations. Turn it on, press and hold. I don't know whether the screen will show up on here, whether it'll flash about a bit. I'm inflating this boat to 10 psi. There are 3 chambers in it. So if I drop that down to 10, I'm going to inflate the floor to 10, but I'm going to I'll inflate the tops to 10 today. I usually inflate this to 8. So let's get all the gubbins out and show you what's in there. So usual sets of instructions. That's just the little bag that this was in. All the valves and adapters. Standard concertina hose. Halky Roberts is already installed. It's often the standard, isn't it? And then there's, you know, like they often come with them all slotted onto one another. All the rest of the adapters are there. Inside the bag also you get a USB-C charging cable and some spare gaskets and O-rings, which is nice touch. Right, let's get this boat inflated. Oh, that's weird. Oh, that is really weird. Right, normally the left one is for inflate and the right one is for deflate. It's the other way around on here. How odd. Never seen that before. Right, let's try it again. And the rest of the footage for that review was pretty much unusable for no other reason than user error. So I bought this out today, again, new boat. Let's get this inflated with the Anoutway Jungle Portable Electric SUP pump. So on here we've got a couple of chambers. Floor chamber that can be inflated to 15 psi. I think I'm going to inflate it to 10. And it says the top can be inflated to 15 too. It's quite unusual, that. Anyway, let's get this inflated. I'm just going to do a quick valve check test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slot it in and then unplug it. Yeah, so it's keeping that out. The problem I had with the other craft was the valve was a bit different, and when I unplugged it, it released all the air. Did that several times. Yeah, that's all right. So let's get this inflated to, I think we'll go to about 12 actually. So we'll turn this on here, bang it up to 12 psi, 12 and a half. Go. And we'll see how long it takes to do that. What I did notice, and I commented on in the previous video, is this is relatively quiet when it moves on to stage 2 compared to some of the SUP pumps. It's quite nice. There we go, 12 and a half. Don't know how long that took. You will know because it'll be on the screen right now. I'm going to stop it for no other reason than I think I might have made a boo-boo. I might need to inflate that first, and then there's one on the other side too. I'm going to inflate it to 10. That's that one done. The next one done. Done. So I've just let all the air back out of this top chamber so we can inflate this one from scratch. There will be a marginal amount of air in it, but not a lot. And we'll bang this one up to 12. That top chamber took a little while, but not quite sure why. I just wondered if there was seeping air. You might have seen my hands milling around, but no, maybe it's just a big chamber. And it actually is. It's bigger than the floor looking at it. It is actually a bigger chamber. That's why. Sorted it. Right. So with that beast inflated, that's 4 air chambers. 2 I inflated to 10 psi, the side ones, and the top and the bottom I inflated to 12 psi. That's a lot of air. That's like probably 2.5 SUPs. And the battery level on here is showing us 3. What I didn't show you on camera was, with one of the side chambers, I kept getting the valve wrong and it deflated twice. So that side chamber's been inflated twice. Still got 3 showing on here. So what with all the adapters and stuff you get and gaskets that are in the bag and the instructions and so on, that I think is quite a worthy little pump. As I say, quieter than some of the others that I've tried out. So I'd just like to say thank you to Anoutway for sending me this, largely because there's a big delay on this as far as they're concerned in me getting this video out, because I wasn't happy with the previous footage. It didn't do the pump justice. It just made me look an idiot, to be honest with you. Standard. Anyway, thanks to Anoutway. I'll put a link in the pinned comment and description with the discount code, so you can check that out if you want to have a look and see what the current price is. Alright, thanks a lot. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.